Not just with trends in Ripple's own criminal adventure, however, with emerging scrutiny at the SEC itself. With XRP captain and other analysts humming on social media, the XRP network is maintaining a near eye on what will be a pivotal second. The current investigation into CC Chair Gary Gensler's hiring practices has stirred waves of speculation. A letter signed by way of US. Representatives Jim Jordan and Patrick Henry questions the CC's impartiality below Gensler's management, alleging that Pinnacle Corporation roles may additionally have been filled based on political affiliations in preference to objective qualifications. The letter indicates that this kind of hiring bias might also compromise the CC's unbiased regulatory mandate, elevating doubts about the motivations behind a number of its extra-arguable enforcement actions, especially within the crypto area. Under Gensler, the SEC has aggressively pursued what a few view as an anti-crypto stance, with Ripple's extended criminal struggle emblematic of this approach. Ripple's defense has continuously argued that XRP isn't always a security and must not fall under such jurisdiction. Adding to the intrigue, a recent tweet from Crypto Barbie mentioned that even political figures are weighing in at the software tokens like XRP. US Vice President J.D. Vance, as an example, discussed the SEC's insufficient law of application tokens in what many took to be a veiled connection with XRP. The truth that high-ranking officials are indirectly addressing the core utility and regulatory signals the capacity to influence Ripple's case may have on future crypto legislation. Ripple's leader criminal officer, Stuart Alderode, recently tweeted a confident statement concerning the case's conclusion, announcing either way it's over. This sentiment has buoyed XRP supporters who've watched Ripple's persistent defense towards what they view as a selective and inconsistent regulatory method with the aid of the SEC. Ripple's legal method has highlighted an apparent loss of readability in how the SEC has categorized various virtual assets. The outcome of this example, as Alderode recommendations, may want to serve as a landmark choice that clarifies the boundaries of regulatory oversight for software tokens. But right, here's the real kicker. What we're seeing now is simply the top of the iceberg. With these game-changing developments, XRP could be on the verge of a large breakout, with professionals predicting ability profits that would just redefine its location inside the crypto world. And it really is exactly what we're diving into subsequent. Stick around as we discover the contemporary professional predictions for XRP. Trust me, you won't need to miss this. So the anticipation around XRP has reached a fever pitch recently, with buyers and fanatics alike eyeing price projections that seem nearly too good to be real, but the statistics indicates in any other case. As 360 Trader positioned it in a recent tweet, the explosion is coming, hinting at a primary rate breakout after extended 1,000-day consolidation. Many buyers have grown weary after waiting goodbye, but the ones who have held on can be at the verge of a large payoff. Minix, a famous analyst on X, has stirred up even more excitement, along with his ambitious prediction that XRP could climb to an astounding $335. He argues that this isn't simply hypothesis, it's grounded in meticulous technical analysis. His projection makes use of Fibonacci retracement stages, a way investors use to expect fee by figuring out ability guide and resistance factors. And specifically, Aminix's evaluation suggests XRP doubtlessly achieving the proper Fibonacci stage, a factor in which previous highs advise an explosive breakout is probably in save. Historical facts backs up Aminix's concept. XRP has accompanied styles inside the beyond where it reputable these Fibonacci ranges, which brought about sharp will increase. Back in January 2018, for example, XRP's fee soared to its all-time excessive of virtually $4 rapidly after consolidating within a similar triangle sample. Now, after a protracted length of price stagnation, Aminix believes we may be at the cusp of some other rally of ancient proportions. Adding fuel to the fireplace are tweets from other prominent figures within the XRP community. Jack the Rippler boldly invited his followers to love in the event that they agree with in an astronomical $10,000 according to XRP. Even as Aminix brought that the breakout hasn't even started yet, however, ought to cross crazy approximate $20. While $10,000 can be extra wishful wondering, those comments reflect a strong conviction that XRP's price is gearing up for a soar into the masses of bucks, if now not higher. With the SEC case nearing a quit, XRP might be on the edge of a big rate surge. The ongoing research into CC Chair Gary Gensler has only introduced to the uncertainty surrounding regulatory movements, which would possibly in the long run work in Ripple's favor. Many buyers see the scrutiny as a potential catalyst that might shift the regulatory technique toward XRP, allowing it to thrive in a greater favorable surroundings. So what's subsequent? The level is about for XRP to break loose from its consolidation segment. If Aminix's analysis holds real, we would witness XRP transferring toward the upper Fibonacci levels. That can indeed catapult the fee into triple digits. The XRP community is buzzing with exhilaration, and if this breakout unfolds as predicted, it is able to mark one of the maximum big events in crypto history. Unbelievable proper, and here's the craziest element, it's just getting began. Behind the scenes, the whales have been quietly snapping up billions of XRP, positioning themselves for what they trust is an inevitable surge to $335. And they aren't simply making a bet on it, they're helping to make it occur. Stick around due to the fact we are about to dive into how this whale pastime should pressure XRP to unheard of heights. Let's smash all of it down. So XRP's latest spike in trading pastime is catching the eye of each retail buyers and huge crypto whales. Over $1.47 billion in XRP turned into traded in only 24 hours, signaling serious interest within the token. This quantity paired with crucial technical movements endorse that XRP is probably gearing up for something large. At one point, XRP traded above 58 cents, even though it settled lower back to 55 cents, displaying resilience and an outstanding 9% gain from the previous week. The maximum intriguing part is the role of whales in probably riding XRP to extraordinary degrees. Whales, the ones retaining large quantities of XRP, have been strategically buying billions of tokens. When big buyers gather assets quietly over time, they less and deliver on exchanges, subtly placing the degree for a charge rally. As demand maintains to grow, the supply squeeze effect often triggers great price surges. As one analyst positioned it, the explosion is coming. XRP's structure is primed for a run, and whales are positioning themselves to be at the prevailing facet of that pass. The fact that whales are stepping in at those fee factors shows they trust in a destiny wherein XRP may want to climb not just to $1 or $10, but doubtlessly even to tiers like $335, as anticipated by using figures like Imonix. For whales, it is no longer just about making a bet at the destiny. Their sheer shopping for electricity has the capacity to catalyze that destiny into reality, driving expenses up and probably transforming the market's view on XRP's authentic worth. With the momentum from Trump's current win in Bitcoin's rally, all eyes are on XRP to look if it can leverage this whale hobby and break past historical tiers. So whilst the adventure would possibly seem lengthy, it is clean that the massive players aren't having a bet on small profits. They're aiming for transformative heights, and the progress would not forestall there. The International's largest crypto exchange is now throwing its weight in the back of XRP Ripple like by no means earlier than. Binance is not just any exchange, it is a titan inside the Crypto International. With hundreds of thousands of customers and a large marketplace percentage, any move it makes has the capability to send shockwaves through the market. By including XRP to its clever arbitrage techniques, Binance is effectively giving the token an effective endorsement. This decision increases the liquidity of XRP, as customers can now interact in extra diverse buying and selling techniques with it, which include arbitrage. As traders take advantage of these new possibilities, the elevated extent of trading can drive up the demand for XRP. The key element here is the liquidity increase Binance can offer. With the inclusion of XRP, traders can now hedge between spot and futures markets, doubtlessly reducing threat while optimizing returns. This elevated accessibility to XRP within Binance's environment approach is simpler for both retail and institutional investors to jump in and exchange the token. The elevated publicity to a wider audience may be one of the catalysts pushing XRP toward its theoretical charge objectives. To make this even extra enticing, Binance has brought promotions with praise pools totaling 45,000 USDT. This includes higher PR for early participants and trading price rebates for high-extent buyers, all of which upload further incentive to keep and change XRP. As extra capital flows into XRP through these promotions, its rate should revel in upward pressure, contributing to the overall